Senzo Robert Meyiwa was allegedly shot by uKelly Khumalo by mistake.
Igqwetha lika-Kelly Khumalo Mogadalene Moosamy uthi uKhumalo ufuna ukunikwa ithuba yokuvakalisa icala lakhe enkundleni njengoko izityholo zifaka uxinzelelo kuye.
My client is not a suspect. That was said to me on 3 occasions. There was a point when Advocate Baloy indicated that she may not even be called as a state witness. Subsequently, a few weeks later, after the 3rd adjournment, we were informed that she may be called as a witness.
Moosamy uthi uKelly Khumalo uzive exelekile kakhulu ngezityholo ezenziwe enkundleni izolo.
When we had spoken, her reaction was, I'm a mother. My child was 3 months old at the time. How dare he? What do they want from me? Because it started, and this is where I gave you the background of the intimidation. We must hand her over to the police, etc. And she then said to me, we are going to now break the silence.
Ukanti kuzityholo zokuba uSenzo wafika esibhedlele sekudala wasweleka ngenjongo zokukhusela umuntu owamdubulayo, uMoosamy uthi makujongwe ingxelo yezonyango kwalomba.
We cannot be slamming and throwing allegations into the air without saying, but the medical report, because the docket should be in the possession of Defence 1 to 5. We can't be saying that without testing, here's the medical report, here's the time of death. To make such spurious allegations, for me, is an abolition of the legal process, entering into some kind of sensationalist media popularity situation.
Ukanti kumba wamadokethi amabini welityala uMoosamy uthi akanolwazi ngoku ukanti ityala kaMeyiwa liyaqhuba kwinkundla ephakamileyo yasePitoli.